So last night, trying to sleep, about 2 a.m., and all you hear is my eyes pop open like, what the fuck's going on? Look around. Felt like I was dreaming. Nope, this fire's real. I go and open up my front door, and you know what I actually smell? Fire. I don't normally smell fire. Normally these things aren't fucking real. Some asshole's pulling them for fun. Here I am thinking, some asshole's pulling it for fun. While I'm trying to fucking sleep? No. But no, there was a real fire. So I grab my fucking animals, and I book it out the fucking door.